Mila's English Class and School presents Daily Phrase Dose. Call it a day. To declare a task finished or stop working on it for the time being.
At work. We've done enough for today. Let's call it a day and finish the rest tomorrow.
In school. We've reviewed all the chapters for today. Let's call it a day and get some rest before tomorrow's exam. Recreational activity. We haven't caught anything in the last hour. Let's call it a day and try again next weekend.
Finishing tasks earlier than expected. We got everything done by noon, so let's call it a day and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. In a relationship. This conversation is getting really intense. Let's call it a day and revisit this when we've had some time to think.
Look at these examples in contextual sentences.
Let's just agree that it's sampling and call it a day.
Well, I'm calling it a day.
Dozer man.
Want to call it a day?
I'm gonna call it a day.
Let's not. Let's call it a day.
Let's just call it a day, huh?
Let's just call it a day.
Wait. Well, let's call it a day.
Okay, let's call it a day.
Let's say 25 and call it a day.
Please like, comment and subscribe for more English learning videos.